Hello guys, this will be a quick video today regarding the Kia EV6 to show you how to deactivate the parking brake so you can do a brake job. Because if you try to remove the caliper while the parking brake is on, it's an electric parking brake on that thing, so it won't budge, so you won't be able to replace the pad or any brake job whatsoever on the rear of your EV6. You'll be able to do the front because the parking brake is just on the back, but you need to remove or to deactivate the parking brake to remove the caliper and do a brake job. So let's jump to it right away. Before you do that, you make sure you are on a flat surface. If not, should put something between the wheels so your car don't go down the hill. So I will get in the car. Of course, you need to have your keys with you. So to do this procedure, first the car need to be running. So I will start the car right now. Okay. So for this to work, I will need both hands so you can understand exactly what I am doing. So first, you need to keep your feet on the brake pedal. You have the parking brake button here and you have your power button there. So the first step is to remove auto hold if it is activated. So removing auto hold, you push on the button here, it will turn off. Now that auto hold is removed. Now step 2, removing the parking brake. So to remove the parking brake, you push on the button and the parking brake logo will disappear from the screen. We also heard it deactivate or de-engaging. So now the third step, to keep it from reactivating when I will turn the car off, you need to hold that button in all time and turn off the car in the same time while you keep your foot on the brake pedal. So now I have my foot on the brake pedal, my parking brake button is here, so I hold it down and I power off the car. I don't know if you heard, but no parking brake did engage whatsoever. So now I will get out of the car and I will show you that the car, it's moving. I can rock the car. So now I can release the brake pedal, and as you can see, there's no parking brake sign in the screen anywhere. We'll get out of the car. And I can move, as you can see, I can move the car. And when you want to put the parking brake back on, you don't even need to start the car. As long as you have your key with you, you just push on the brake pedal and you pull the parking brake button, and the parking brake just re-engage. So now there's no danger that your car will move or anything like that because the parking brake is on. So it's just that simple to deactivate the parking brake so you can do a brake job on the rear of your Kia EV6. So this is it for now. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified as soon as I will release another video. So on this, I wish everybody a great day and see you later. Bye.